This week it was my birthday and we went to New York City.
You do not have it.
They're just your friends, Noah.
Hello! This week we are starting up weekly vlogs again, and welcome back to the interviews.
I am now 18 years old. I also got my official driver's license when I turned 18. I'm about to show you my car. It's a Lexus, and it's very pretty looking. I think that if you guys have been like regular watchers on our channel, you already know about this car.
And the next day, we went to New York to go to TTPM.
We're here at the TTPM Spring Showcase. Come on in with us and see all the new toys. TTPM stands for Time to Play Magazine, and they put on an event where influencers and retailers can come and look at the new toys.
The coolest thing I saw at TTPM were these little like wooden things, and it had all these gears, and you'd turn it, and then all this stuff happened.
So we're here at the Pick Me Pops booth, and they have a new thing called Pick Me Pops Surprise Push Me Ups. So I'm gonna give it a try. Oh, it's a bunny! Most of the toys they have there are either baby toys or like fun kid toys that aren't exactly like teenager toys, but they're toys, you know? Toys for kids and babies.
Stop, dude, haha. Okay, I wanna try it.
Man, it looks really cool. I thought the Barbies were real cool because they're like historical and they're based off of historical women, and I really like those.
These are the Barbies. This one's name is Samantha.
I don't think that's right.
Name is also Samantha.
There was also a giant feisty pet that was working. Oh, it's so cute! We were interviewed for TTPM while we were there.
We all three played this cash grab game.
That was rigged because we got all the money in this machine that was going swirl, swirl, and we got all of it, and we didn't even get the JoJo Siwa that we wanted. So it was rigged.
What did you get?
There was a game called Flip Side where you had to flip around little things on a color changing square to match the colors. And you had a time limit, and it was very fun.
Got the second highest score of the day.
That was a thrill, and I know.
Well, we all got in the top 10.
We all scored and got on the board. It rhymes. So we finished our day at TTPM, and we'd like to thank them for sending us and having us come to their spring showcase.
After TTPM, we did some cool things in New York.
First stop was the Nintendo store where we checked out the new Nintendo Labo. I think Labo is super cool and seems very difficult to make. Jonah's in the process of making the piano currently, and he's not done with it, but he's had it for like a few days.
I got many good toys.
Is that a ditto?
Yeah.
We also went to B&H, which is, if you don't know what that is, it is a giant store full of literally anything electronic you can think of. They have iPads, guitars, keyboards, synths, like audio, cameras, games, literally anything you can think of.
And I bought a phone case, this phone case.
All right, so we're at B&H, and we're in the upstairs section where there's video games and stuff. And I just tried the HTC Vive, and it's very fun. I played the shooting game where you have two guns and shoot little bots coming up towards you. It was very fun. You have to dodge bullets and shoot things. I'm gonna film Jonah playing it.
And then Noah went to a music store and he spent forever in there while we went to a place called the Egg House.
It is our second day in New York. It is our free day, and we chose to go to the Egg House, which is like one of those installment museums where it's all Instagram famous. So we're gonna be taking a lot of pictures in here. Our adventure at the Egg House. Yeah, I'd say it was very excellent.
It's actually called
I got a pair of socks and some earrings. It was very fun. And I'm sure my Instagram photos have been uploaded by now, so check those out. My Instagram is dying. Click the link in the description to see my Instagram. Bye.
Not just our Instagram.
We're gonna go meet up with Noah and our dad.
I spent a lot of time at this place called Rogue Music while the rest of my family went to this egg place. So, we're at Rogue Music right now, and they have a lot of vintage instruments from what I've seen or heard on the various mailing lists I'm a part of. So I'm gonna go inside and check it out. Every single synthesizer I ever dreamed of, except for one, I played there. Aftertouch! Watch. You can push it down. You can push it down further and change the sound. I didn't know you can make stuff like that. After like 4 hours of that, which was awesome, we went to Guitar Center. Nice! How's it going, guys? Enjoy yourself. This is what Guitar Center in Times Square looks like.
Most epic ever.
What do you guys think?
It's very cool. It's the coolest one we've got, right?
Is this the same as the Guitar Center where we're from?
Not quite.
Oh wow, here we are. The most incredible music place in the world. Everything may not be
That's as far as I got without messing up. Mommy unknowingly said, there's a bakery on the corner we can go to. Turns out the bakery that she had in mind was the Cake Boss place. I do. Try it. Try it. Tastes like a cookie. Is that good? Yeah.
very soft.
That's better than the cookie I had yesterday for sure.
Yeah. We ate some bad cookies yesterday. And then we flew home and we're here for about a week, and then we're flying out to California for ClamourCon. We can't wait to film tons of collabs and make tons of new videos for you guys. Thank you for watching. Please comment, share, subscribe, thumbs up, follow on Twitter, and see you later, alligator.
Peace out, YouTube.
See you next time, YouTube.
Click these red channels, watch videos, and click this circle to subscribe. Bye.
Bye.